Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Logging out of Project Sekai is not as simple as clicking a button. The game does not have a dedicated logout option in the settings menu. You must follow a specific process to remove your account from a device. First, you should ensure your progress is safe. Go to the menu in the top right corner of the home screen. Select the Account Transfer button. Link your game to Game Center or Google Play. You can also generate a transfer ID and a password. Write this important information down in a safe place. If you do not save your data, you will lose your progress forever. To log out completely, you need to clear the app data. Open the settings on your mobile device. Find your list of installed apps. Locate Project Sekai and tap on it. Go to the Storage section. Select the option to clear all data or clear storage. This action deletes the login information from your phone or tablet. When you restart the game, it will act like a new installation. You will see the opening movie again. Another way to switch accounts is through the title screen. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner before you enter the game. Choose the account transfer option. Enter a different transfer ID and password here. This will swap the current account with a new one. This method is faster if you have multiple accounts to manage. Always remember to back up your data carefully before trying these steps. Managing your Project Sekai account is easy once you know these helpful tricks.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.